What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol NVDA for NVIDIA Corp. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. The main thing to point out today is that we did technically open on a gap up. We filled that gap to the downside, but notice where the lower wick is on the daily time frame. It's above that double bottom that we discussed in yesterday's video, the neckline, rather, of the double bottom at 240 roughly. So to me, it's a little bit more of a bullish indication, the fact that buyers did step up at that very nuanced level. It is going to make it a little bit more difficult to trade here, considering that we're in between our two targets, or in between ranges rather, 240. The next overhead target is 257.68, coming from this lower low that was set, and that's really where the selling accelerated from, correct? So that's the upside level. After that, it's the resistance trendline and the horizontal flush point around 272.25. If it's going to be a breakdown and we give up the neckline, let's take a closer look at the 30-minute time frame. We know that if 240 goes, next support underneath is kind of a ways to go down towards 230. And the reason we're looking there is because there's not a ton of market structure in that leg higher, so it would be fairly easy for the sellers to retrace that. You can see we really get some more interaction here, as well as kind of this little baby gap in there as well around 230. So that's what I would focus on to the downside if we give up the neckline. But based on the hammer candle, based on the fact that we supported here in the afternoon and even in the morning, right? This is just another smaller time frame double bottom. We technically closed above the neckline. First target has to be the high of today, and then after that, you're monitoring for continuation into 257.68, as we pointed out from the daily time frame chart. So that's kind of all I've got for you. If you're long and looking for this setup, stop loss is obviously under here, because if we break down, that's a failed breakout, right? So we would look for lower after that. You don't want to be wrapped up in that on the wrong side of things. So that's what I've got for you inside of NVIDIA. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.